Ever wanted to go viral on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram without filming, editing, or even showing your face? Well, what if you could get hundreds of mouth-watering cooking videos with full rights to use, upload, or even resell? That's exactly what BakeFlix delivers. And in this quick review, I'll show you why this might be your next passive income stream. If you're into food, baking, YouTube, or even just want to flip digital content for fast profits, BakeFlix is a done-for-you shortcut to cash in on one of the hottest evergreen niches, cooking. 300 plus viral-ready baking videos, ebooks, and blog posts. No filming, no editing, no stress. So what exactly is BakeFlix? It's a massive bundle of 300 plus HD quality baking videos, 10 high-quality recipe ebooks, 300 done-for-you blog articles. You get commercial or resale rights depending on the license, which means you can upload the videos to YouTube, TikTok, or Reels. Use them as content for blogs, social media, or email. Or even resell them as your own product and keep 100% profit. This is perfect for affiliate marketers, PLR sellers, food bloggers, or beginners who want viral content without lifting a finger. Let's take a quick peek at what's inside BakeFlix. As you can see, all the videos are in MP4 format, no watermarks, fully editable. The ebooks are beautifully designed and editable in Word or Canva. The blog articles are ready to copy-paste into your site. And everything is organized by topic: breads, cakes, cupcakes, desserts, and more. You can start uploading and monetizing these within minutes. Now let's talk about the optional upgrades, or OTOs. Front end, get the full video pack with commercial rights. Front end, $24. Upgrade to resale rights so you can sell it as your own OTO. One, $37. Unlock even more baking videos, unrestricted PLR, plus reseller toolkit. OTO 2, $47. Get a mega collection of ready-to-upload cooking videos designed to go viral on YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. My recommendation? Grab the $24 resale rights and the $37 PLR upgrade to unlock the full passive income potential. When you grab BakeFlix through the link below, you'll also unlock my exclusive bonus vault, packed with tools to boost your traffic, leads, and sales. 1 WP Tube Maximizer. Turn any blog into a viral video hub. 2. Insta Viral Studio. Post your BakeFlix clips to Instagram and go viral. 3. Video Sales Funnel Builder. Build profit funnels around these videos. 4. Canva Ad Templates Pack. Make stunning food ads in seconds. 5. Social Traffic Booster. Push your content to 20 plus platforms automatically. 6. DFY PLR Funnel Templates. Plug and play funnels for any PLR. 7. 1,000 plus viral YouTube tags and titles. SEO hacks for fast ranking. 8. Email List Builder Pro. Capture emails from your BakeFlix audience. 9. TikTok Shorts Automation Kit. Post your videos on autopilot. 10. Bonus Delivery Page Builder. Deliver your resale rights bonuses like a pro. These bonuses are only available through the link below and only for the first 25 buyers or until the timer runs out. Here's the bottom line. BakeFlix gives you everything you need to launch a viral food brand, sell your own cooking video products, or just post daily to grow your YouTube, Instagram channel without ever stepping in the kitchen. If you want to cash in on this profitable niche with no tech skills or content creation, this is your chance. But remember, the bonuses expire in 48 hours, and they're limited to the first 25 people only. Thanks for watching this BakeFlix review. Click the link in the description to grab BakeFlix. Secure your exclusive bonus bundle and start uploading viral food content in minutes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more no-fluff reviews just like this one. I'll see you on the inside.